Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on supplementary angles. So on Thursday we worked on complementary angles, which added up to 90 degrees, but supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So the definition says, when a straight angle, so this here is the straight angle, just this line down here, is decomposed or broken into two adjacent angles, the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So, in other words, when we break apart this straight angle, whoa, the drawing's bad. When we break apart this straight angle into two pieces, piece 1 and piece 2 will add up to 180 degrees. A straight angle has 180 degrees total, and then the two pieces will add up to 180. So, let's look at an example. So the first one that we have says, write and solve an equation to find the measure of angle NLM. So angle NLM, I'll trace it in green, so NLM is this one. And we can see this other angle, NLK, over here is 62 degrees. So we said that when it's a straight angle, it is a total of 180 degrees. So just like we did with the 90 degrees when we were working on it last week, I'm going to do 180 minus what we already have, 62, to figure out what's missing. I see here that I do 0 minus 2, which can't happen, so I'll cross off this 8. This becomes a 7, and this 0 turns into a 10. So now I do 10 minus 2, which is 8. I do 7 minus 6, which is 1. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So this angle over here would be 118 degrees. So to check if I did my math right, I would come over here and do 118 plus 62. And if we got it right, it will add up to 180 degrees. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So our total is 180 degrees. So we got that right. So the missing angle measure was 118 degrees. All right, and one more example. So as we see here, the straight angle can be broken up into 3 parts. So that doesn't change anything. The 3 parts are still adding up to 180. I see over here that I have a 32 and I have a 24. So to figure out how much these 2 angles are taking out of the 180, I'll do 32 plus 24. 2 plus 4 would be 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So these 2 parts together are 56 degrees. But I know I need it to be 180 degrees, so to find the missing part, which is this x right here, I'm going to do 180 minus 56. And this answer will be my missing angle. I can't do 0 minus 6, so this 8 becomes a 7. This 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So this missing angle over here would be 124 degrees. And we know that if we add the 2 measures together, it should equal 180. So I'll do 124 plus 56, which was the combination of these 2 angles. So 124 plus 56. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, and the 1. So 180 degrees, we got that right. So on your Google form, you're going to have questions like this. So remember that you're adding up to 180 today, not 90, and I'm sure you'll do great.